Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was up almost 0.5% today, which is great. The overall market was kind of medium altogether. We're sort of on this stimulus roller coaster still. There was some more news today that the talks are going on, and some of it was positive, between Pelosi and the White House and what have you. So, we'll see what happens there. I think they have a pretty big hurdle to get over to get through the Senate with a package. So, we'll have to wait and see. Does seem to be some momentum, and I think that's why we saw sort of an upward market today. Probably the best news today really was dealing with clean energy as a whole. It was up quite a bit. The two pieces, we have two parts of clean energy. We divided them up into two, create a little diversification. One was up 3.1%. The other was up 2% today, which is, again, pretty good for a day when the S&P is up 0.5%. So New Jersey announced today that they're going to follow suit with California and have no gas cars being sold. And so that's pretty interesting. You're starting to see some of these things happen. And there's a lot of tailwind behind clean energy. Again, the market is a betting mechanism. And with Biden leading the polls and the Senate, barely leaning towards the Democratic side, if that transpires, there's an expectation that there would be a lot of money being spent on clean energy. There's a proposed $2 trillion program out there that they've been talking about. Then you have California, now New Jersey, and of course we talked about China, which is a really big story actually. If they go through with this net zero by 2060, you're talking about a tremendous amount of money being spent in the area of clean energy. So, which is very fascinating because energy as a whole, as a segment, oil and gas, is still down tremendously. When I look at the charts, you see some of these things like technology and consumer discretionary, and the relative strength is really, really good, excellent. And then you see energy, and the relative strength is straight down, really, really poor, actually. And so in the middle of this movement, and so this has been going on for a long time. It's not new, obviously, but it's really catching fire right at the moment. It'd be very fascinating to see where this goes, but that trend that we jumped on 3 or 4 weeks ago is still running right now, and that's a good thing too. So good day altogether. Again, we'll get to see what happens here with the stimulus and what's going on as far as that goes, but look forward to talking to you tomorrow, and let's see what happens. Thank you.